Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we're going to check out what Walmart did to our Walmart beauty box. If you're not aware that Walmart has a beauty subscription box, Walmart does indeed have a beauty subscription box. It has started off at $5 a month. I've been getting it, not a month, $5 per season. It comes out quarterly. I've been getting it pretty much since its inception, which was about 10 years ago. It then went up to $6.98 per box, so 4 times a year, which is still not bad at all. And historically, it has had different items. There's different variations. So what I get in my box may be different than what you get in your box. And I get 2 subscriptions, one in my name and one in my sister's name, so I can see what 2 of the variations look like. Well, Walmart has been making some changes again. I got an email last month or earlier this month. This is November 13th, I think. Saturday. I think it's November 13th. That said there's making some changes. It's moving from $6.98 per box to $8.98 per box. So $2 more per box, so $8 a year, still not bad. $8 more per year, so still not bad. It does say that there's going to be more products per box, more variety per box, and more style per box. I suspect now that they have gone to a singular option box. I suspect that because it said that they're going to, just the verbiage that they used made it sound like it was going to be a box put together, not variations. Also, there's typically a sticker that says what variation your box is, and these boxes do not have a variation. They are cute boxes. They've been coming in blue Walmart boxes. These are green with stripes and look like holidays. Super cute. But are they the same exact stuff? Is it worth $8.98 plus tax? Let's see. I am going to start with just this one. I don't know whose box this was, if it was mine or my sister's. All right, so as we get into this box, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you be part of the Beth Unboxes family. It would mean the world to me. And if you do like this video and like Walmart unboxings, like any kind of beauty box subscription unboxings or beauty hauls, give it a like. Leave some comments of what you think about the box changes. I have no idea what's in here. So as we go through, I would love to see your comments of what you think of what we're getting. Is it worth now the money? Is it way, way better? Is it about the same? We'll find out together, but I want to know your thoughts. So here's the inside. It has a card, which I don't think we got cards before. I don't remember. So it's a little, no, we did get cards. We get this every 3 months, guys, so I forget. So we do get cards. There has been sometimes full-size products, typically deluxe samples or travel sizes with some mini little samples. Typically we'll get 5 or 6 items per box. So let's see if we did get a whole bunch more stuff in here. So it doesn't look like a whole lot more stuff, you guys. We might have got tokened. I don't know. First thing we got is 2 little travels. I hope they're one of each, shampoo and conditioner. Shampoo and conditioner of the Monday hair care that Walmart sells. And these are the smooth, which is great because this time of the year my hair does get frizzy. So this is the smooth variety of shampoo and conditioner. These are 3 ounces each. So they're good sizes. The full sizes of these are not crazy expensive, but these are a good size sample so you can try it before you decide you want to buy the full size and don't like it. So that, I don't know if that counts as one product or 2, but that's one of the products. So the next thing we have in here is from Jergens, and this is Vanilla Crush. And this is, I can tell you, this is considered a full size Walmart. It says this is a $3 full size. Probably, full size, because you can buy this in their travel sizes department, I'm going to bet you. There's no way this is considered a full size, like standard family size product. But you can buy this for $3 at Walmart, and you can buy this one for $3 at Walmart. So the 2 of these together are $6 worth. So that's most of our box value. This is the Jergens Shea Fusion Vanilla Crush Scented Body Lotion. And this is the This is a travel size. The full size of this would be 14 ounces at $7.47. And we got it doesn't say there, we got a 1 ounce. So we got maybe 50 cents worth of lotion. But this says it's a dermatologist tested. Jergens is great. So we got a little 1 ounce per size travel sample of lotion. Let's see what else we got. Next, we got Aveeno, and this is a skin relief healing ointment. And this one says Aveeno skin relief healing ointment for dry, cracked skin. The full size of this is another full size travel size. So this is this a 2 ounce? Nope. This is only a 1/4 ounce. So this is only a 1/4 ounce, but it does come in a 2 ounce size for $6 or a 7.2 ounce size for $13. I say it's $7, it's $6.97. We're talking Walmart dollars. There's never even dollar amounts except for the travel sizes. And this is a travel size, but this is not for sale, this size. $5.97 for 2 ounces of this, $12.97 for 7.2 ounces of this. So this is just a little try it and see if you like it size. Next, we have a little foil packet. So this is Good Molecules. And the Good Molecules full size of this is in a squeezy tube for 6.7 ounces for $11.97. So this is just a giveaway, a freebie. There's really no monetary value to this, but we do get a little Good Molecules cleansing gel. There's enough in here for maybe 2 face washes, depending on how much you use. But you can try it and see if you like it before you do buy the full size. The last thing in here is these stupid, I'm not going to put a razor blade on my face, people. I'm sorry. If you're good at that, tell me how. But this is a Dermaplane, it's a shaping razor. So it grooms and exfoliates. You get 3 of them. So this would be a full size. This is $4.47 worth. So of the products we can put a dollar value on, we got $6 and $4.50. So $10.50. This is almost a zero value over what you paid for at box. Walmart, you broke. I don't like this, you guys. I don't like these changes. And if we got the exact same stuff in the next box, that's going to be a real bummer. So that was our first box. Not terrible stuff, but certainly I don't think $8 value because, again, these are the only 3 things we can put a dollar value on. And this is a little like $11 worth. And the box cost probably close to that once you add tax. So we're talking $9 for the cost of the box, $11.50-ish value. I mean, Walmart, I will be fair. Okay, I'll be fair. Walmart does not promise you a dollar value for this box. But they did say this would have more value in it than it previously did. And this is basically the value we would usually get in a box that we paid $7 for. So they're not wowing me on their very first box. They gave us like 10 little squiggles in here though. So we got little green squiggles, little green spaghettis. But that was our box and I will not use these. I just won't. So these are going to have to go to a new home. And if I have another pack in the other box, they're going to go to another new home. But, oh, okay. Is it exactly the same? Is it exactly the same? It's exactly the same. So we got, I'm not going to go through it again, but we got all the exact same products. No variation in fragrances. So I will be canceling the extra box. I got the extra box because we got variety. There's no variety anymore. If you got yours and it's different than any of this, please, please, please tell me. I have to know. It is still worth more than you pay for it. So tell me if you are subscribed already. Is it worth you keeping it? Is it worth waiting to see another few boxes? Because it is only $9, $10 maybe with taxes. Are we going to keep this and see how it goes? And maybe this is just their first run and it's going to get better. But the first one at Christmas, this is not wowing me. Is this wowing you guys? Tell me, tell me, tell me. If you have not ever subscribed to Walmart, would you subscribe based on this content? I want to know. Please, please tell me. So we did get 2 of the same boxes. So now I have $9 a month I can save and spend on something else. We'll not be getting 2 boxes next time. But let me know what you thought. What do you think of Walmart's changes? Do we want to keep this one? Are you guys keeping yours? Should I keep mine? I honestly, I'm going to keep mine. I just am. I'm a diehard Walmart beauty box fan. Unless they just go to complete crap in the next few boxes, I will continue to get this every quarter and see what we get. And I will continue to show you guys. It's only $9 a month. It's not, I mean, $9 a month. I keep saying a month because most boxes are a month. $9 per quarter. So we're talking a total of what? $36 a year. So $36 a year for what we get in these 4 boxes is not bad. It's really good. You get to try different things that Walmart has to offer. Even if it's not crazy value for what you paid for it, you still get to try it. So I'm going to give it a 1.5 thumbs of this. It's definitely worth at least 1 thumb. It is definitely not worth 2 thumbs. But we'll give it a 1.5 thumbs. I won't give it a down. It's a 1.5 thumbs. We'll see. So let me know what you guys think. Again, I'd love for you to subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit like. Hit for notifications if you don't want to miss out on future uploads. But for now, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.